मॉर्निंग बच्चों, कैसे हो आप? आई होप दैट ऑल ऑफ यू आर फिट एंड फाइन. All of you know that we are reading chapter Chucks and Mugs, and we are doing a worksheet here. In this worksheet, we have already done question number 6, 7, and now we have to do question number 8. What is written in the question? Let's read. Find the 1/4 part of 28 liter 180 milliliter. It means we have to find out the 1/4 part of 28 liter and 180 milliliter. We will solve it like this. First we write 28 liter 180 milliliter. We also called milliliter as ml. Multiply 1 by 4 because we have to find out the 1/4 part of it. For what will be doing in question? We will be divide 28 to 4. It means like this: 28 division 4 and 4 7 28. It means 7 liter. That is 7 liter. It is here. And now write again 180. Again divide by 4. 4 4 ja 16. We will subtract 16 from 18. We will get 2 and we will put 0 here 20, and 4 5 ja 20. It means 45 ml because it is in ml, it is in liter. 45 ml, and it means option C is correct. Next question. We will skip question number 9. We will come to question number 10. Nine bottles of water can fill a bucket. Suppose we have a bucket, and to fill this bucket we need 9 bottles. If each bottle can hold 1 liter, it is written 1 liter and 125 milliliter of water. It means we have a bottle and the capacity of this bottle is 1 liter and 125 milliliter. Question is that how much water can hold the bucket? It means what is the capacity of this bucket? To fill this bucket we need 9 bottles and the capacity of one bottle is 1 liter 125 milliliter. Then what will we do? We multiply 9 to 1 liter 125 milliliter. What will be the answer? 9 liter and 1125 ml. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. It means 1000 liter from here, 1000 milliliter from here will add to 9 liter, that is 10 liter and 125 milliliter. And we have option D is 10 liter 125 milliliter. It means our option D is correct. Now we will solve the next question, and next question is that when 1100 milliliter of water is added to 24 liter 200 milliliter of water, the total water is. It means we have one side 1100 ml and one side is 24 liter 200 milliliter, and we have to tell that how much water will be total. It means add this and what will be the answer? We have to solve it. Dear learners, you know 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. We can write this in this way. It will become 1 liter and this is 100 liter. It means 1100 ml is equal to 1 liter 100 ml. It means 1 liter 100 ml at 24 liter 200 ml. You know, liter will be at 2 liter. It means 24 and 1 is equal to 25 liter, and this is 100 liter and 200 liter will be 300 ml. So this is not liter, this is ml. 100 ml and 200 ml is equal to 300 ml. Then our answer is 25 liter 300 ml. It means our option B 25 liter 300 ml is correct. Ml means milliliter. And that's for today. I hope all of you can understand it. Dear learners, we will be meet to you next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep learning. Be happy. Be safe.